my beautiful people. It's the one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, in today's topic, now about this topic now 2 in 1. You understand? Now 2 in 1. About all those pastors. Me, I don't understand what this word they turn it to again, really. I don't understand what this word they turn it to. Really. I don't understand. Like seriously, my darling people. Okay. This man, they teach people for church how to jogodo. Now all those Zimbabwe people, he carry the girl fat, he put am for ground, he dey from back, they hammer the girl for inside church. Like seriously, my darling people, things they happen, no, things they this world. He put the thing, he begin the jogodo with the girl. Like, not be say he bring it John Thomas, but the way into the do am for inside church, e no good. Like, he want teach people now how to jogodo. Like, the thing they structuralize me, like, seriously. Now, wow, not the way Musa no go say forget, really. Who does that? Eh? I first see one that time too. We be say, this one say happen for Ghana. When the man just carry get, put am for ground, lie am, begin they do all those things. I was like, what did they come over una? Where did they make una they do all those things? Why? Why? Why African people they always they do this thing? Eh? Church again, now therefore they do this kind of thing for inside church. Hey, my people. The thing shockalize me, oh. Now I say, make I come share and give my ogbonge people. Make una see reason this thing. Wetin these pastors they do so to carry woman come inside church, begin the jogodo, like they teach them how to jogodo with their husband, with their wife. Say he want teach them. Say see the position where they're supposed to the do am. See this, that. I was like seriously? Eh? Now so this word can't turn it to my darling people. This one shock me, oh. This one is shocked. Me 10 times. I shock when I see the video. Now I say, make I come share and give my ogbonge people, make they see, help me reason this matter. Waiting this pastor they do now na good thing. Now for inside church, therefore they do this kind of thing. Children dey church. I be that they carry the children come up for inside church. Me, I not can understand, my darling people. Things they happen, you know. So my ogbonge people, now see make I come see share and for una, mona see reason with me. Waiting these pastors they do so now good thing, because I see one way happen for Ghana, the same thing, you know, and people come dey against them. Now I say, well, how una reason this matter, my darling people? How una reason am? Eh? Things dey this world, oh. Things really dey this world. So the second topic, my darling people, if you know say you no sabi drink, why you dey even dey drink? When you know say you no sabi drink, you no know how to drink, why you go dey drink? Why? You go drink finish, you begin they no. This guy with the drink, I just dey look am the video. Now one of my follower and I said that for me. I say make I react to this video. Man, I advise people. If you know that, because social media life now with day now, una know say before any small thing, people go carry phone begin the video. They go carry phone begin the video. Now be the first thing. Instead, when they go save the person, they are want to carry phone. They will call the video. Now that one be the main thing wey they do. Okay, my darling people. This guy they drink. He know say he knows sabi drink. Oh, he they drink am, they follow the girl, they laugh there. You know, the next thing where this guy do na to carry a John Thomas come out, begin the peace for his house. It is in a bedroom in there, and they begin the video, and the video now don't go viral. So how you now wey do this thing now, you can't see your video now, your picture now for social media? How you go feel? Your video now don't full everywhere. And people, may we dey use our HQ. Una not the year. Use your HQ. Eh? How can a guy go just no God? And maybe na married man now. Maybe he even get wife for house. He follow side chick. They drink anyhow. He drink finish, begin the peace for inside house. This is a bedroom in the. He carry John Thomas come out, begin the peace for ground, my darling people. This one, he shocked me. Eh? If you know, say you don't sabi drink, why you go even carry drink, begin the drink? Why? Must you drink? They say drink and don't be drunk. Eh? Why would they always they behave like these people? Eh? And wow, my darling people, this one, it shocked me. It shocked me when I see the video, really. Eh? If not be say YouTube don't go agree all those things. Me, I for put on Mona see am. Eh? A grown-up man drink, begin the peace for inside bed. The begin the peace for ground. Eh? The thing, it shocked me, my darling people. Now say, make I come share on for now. No say I talk and just now say now 2-in-1 video. You understand? So anything we una think about this video, more na leave una comment for the comment section about the pastor with the jogodo woman for inside church. Say want teach people how to jogodo, and the other one we drink. Percy papa drink, begin the peace for ground. Now good thing. That will not be disgrace. That will not be disgrace, my darling people. Because now very, very big disgrace. Very, very big disgrace. This one, and wow, they say the life don't balance, sha. It not really balance at all. So you will be say you did drink. You make sure say you dey careful, because before anything, people go the video. Now so they take video, you know, even know say that the video now because he don't hide. He not did this word again that time. You understand? So maybe they use our HQ sometimes. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only. Subscribe, my darling people. Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.